Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting your AirPods Pro 2 to an iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on my phone, but the steps are the same for iPad and iPod also. The first step is to open your settings and make sure that Bluetooth is switched on your phone. With that done, open the case of your AirPods with the AirPods inside and bring the case near to your phone. Tap Connect on your phone. Now press and hold down the button on the back of the AirPods charging case for a few seconds until it makes a noise. Then tap Continue on your phone screen. Your AirPods are now connected to your phone. You can open the settings and tap your AirPods name near the top to see and edit the settings for them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple AirPod tips and tricks.